Finland is proving to be very immigrant friendly, and over the last 2-3 years they have been very welcoming to foreign workers, English speakers, and there are quite a lot of opportunities that you'll find as a job seeker, as a student in Finland. It is proving to be a very good avenue for overseas workers, for job seekers, and in today's specific video I want to share with you a very amazing pathway that will enable you and your family to relocate to Finland. And you're going to enjoy this one because let me tell you, every time I come across a country that is bringing in more students, more job seekers, students can bring dependents with them, and they can they try as much as possible to have eligibility criteria that at least are not very complex. I love it, and Finland is doing that a lot, and I love that about Finland right now because they are proving and showing that they are ready to welcome English speakers, job seekers, foreigners, and immigrants. If you're coming across my video for the first time, my name is Kendi. I share information matters, relocation abroad, either to work, for study, or for conferences. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much. Please do remember to like, subscribe, share. That way you let me grow this community, and I will very much appreciate that. All the information I talk about on my videos is always linked down below on my description box. All the other services that I offer, CV review, one-on-one sessions, you'll also find that down below on the description box. So Finland is proving, as I said, to be very beneficial. One, a very good pathway that I'm going to introduce to you. The eligibility criteria, the requirements are very minimal. You need to do very little in terms of what will enable you to move to Finland under this pathway, and it is a pathway that is closing very soon, so you should be on the lookout and apply as soon as you can, because there are very many people who are applying for these kind of opportunities, and the competition is stiff. So for you to be on the safer side, you need to go through all that is required in terms of the eligibility criteria and the documents that you need for you to be able to compete with other applicants who want to move to Finland under this pathway. This pathway will enable you to move to Riveria school in Finland or as an international worker for vocational training. Remember, vocational trainings are right now booming in Finland, and reason because they are welcoming international students, a very good pathway that you can move. And remember, I say that education or moving abroad as a student is one of the easiest way that can land you abroad. The reason why I love vocational trainings or colleges in Finland is because they charge very little amount of tuition. Type of qualification: vacation, upper secondary qualification, a scope of study 180, duration 2 to 3 years. They have stated the location. Application period was from 1st March to 21st March. Start date 09/05/2024. Mode of studying is in English, and it is contact teaching. So remember, if you want to move to Finland under this pathway that is for vacation training, you are moving to Finland to study. So it means, because the Finnish government gives students 20 hours to work, it means that you'll be going to school during the day, and in the evenings you can go work to earn an extra coin to sustain yourself. Qualification holders are able to plan and implement cleaning services at different customer sites. They may specialize in domestic services or site facility services according to the area of competence. The first part of training will be in English, ended with intensive Finnish studies. The training will also include, and they are giving you what is required: cost, the student incurs, the cost for material fees, housing and travel expenses, and Riveria has no scholarships or other financial aid options available. Who can apply? You are at least 18 years of age, high school certificate or general school living certificate, certificate of the International English Test Duolingo, modern IT skills, good physical and mental condition to study and work in cleaning and property services, enough funds for the living expenses on the applicant's account to be presented to the immigration office. They are touching on everything: language requirement, health, suitability assessment, and after graduation, if you move to Finland under this pathway, you work and you're absorbed by different institutions because you have gone to school in Finland. That is what happens in most of these countries. Please do remember to like, subscribe, share, leave a comment if you have any. Watch the video till the end. The link is on the description box. You can go through each and everything at your own free time. you.